Hello guys, gagawa tayo ng ating ganito soup. Ito natin guys, we just throw the water. Sorry. Okay. This is a hot water again, guys. And then we put pork. This is a soup, guys. Okay. Gawa tayo ng soup. Soup. Okay. Sorry guys, and then soup yan guys, soup. And then we will put our choy-sam Chinese vegetables. Paborito nila to guys, no? They like this choy-sam. Soup again, the water. We will put the water. Choy-sam is very easy to cook. And then lalagay po tayo ng ating yung kanyang ano guys. Okay, lalagay tayo ng white mushroom. Yan ang white mushroom yan. Golden mushroom. Yeah guys, choy-sam is very easy to, and then we put our seasoning. Okay guys. Okay, done our lunch. Ay, dagay ko pala to dito guys, no? Lunch. Sige, saan yung ating ano guys? Saan na yung ating ano? Where is our see, our boss is waiting now guys. Okay. Magnifish. Okay, enjoy watching. Ito na yung lunch guys. Dami pa pala dito oh. Oh my gosh. natin ulit guys, no? kasi malupuntahan yan. Ay, ito matagal pa guys. Masarap to kaya guys. This is very delicious. Okay. I will put again. Kasi he is not eating too much. He is eat little only guys. Okay. Tapos ilalagay natin ulit yung kanyang pork. Okay. That's all. Okay guys, thank you so much everyone. Ayan na yung ating. Thank you guys. I'm Cecil Bilbao 40. God bless.